Hello. So today we are playing the greatest obby on Roblox. So obby truly lives up to its name. The obby currently has 140 awesome obstacles. Joy, please turn to your right to begin. You can also buy game passes to increase your gameplay, to increase you gameplay. Makes things much more easier and fun. You can purchase the game passes on the left of your screen, and what I like to do is this, and then zoom out. Sorry guys if you hear the dog barking, not my fault. And I just totally failed on that. I have to really... oh, never mind. Okay. Ah, come on. Let's suck at all these. Oh. I am a noob. Oh. Okay. Go on with the red one. Nope. Blue. Okay. What's this? What's this? Oh crap! It turns invisible. Wow. Don't know what that was, but whoa. I think that there's invisible pink things. Okay, there is something wrong with this right here. Whatever. So far, so good. What's the save and load button? Load stage? What the crap? Oh, that's right. I forgot. Yeah, guys, I played this a little while ago. For like 2 days. When I was 6 and 2. Yeah, I played this game for like freaking 2 hours on this hobby. It's up there like 50. And then I play for another like 10 more minutes. Yeah, I remember this. Forgot about that button. Oh, and if you guys want to hear the thing, let's just turn the volume. Okay, you ready? Ooh. 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 Okay, I'm gonna do this. Warning, this stage is possible and is semi-difficulty. Oh, what? This is so freaking easy. What is this? Did not know what that was. That was easy. Whoa! Trampoline! And I failed. Sorry, guys. I have an otter popsicle. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Oh crap. Okay. I'm just gonna. Down. Ah. This is just easy. Really? Whoa. Ah! Okay. That was pretty difficult. Don't know what this is, but that is super easy. And that wasn't. Climbing up ladders. Jumping down ladders. Oh, what the freak? Whoa. What was that? Oh, I'm back here. I have to go down. And why can't I climb up these? Do I have to go this way? Yeah. Oh, wait. I just came from there. I climb up these, drop down here, and then climb up these, and then drop down here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, freak. Oh my god. Just wait till this lady does. Ah! Oh, okay. But she's at 99 already? That lady is fast. Oh, look at her, just died. this and this. It might be cheating, but who cares? And all you do is just zoom out so that you can see how far you're jumping. Oh god, I almost died. That was a fail. How you doing, puppy? What you doing, puppy? It's my dog. Don't want to mess with my dog. Never. Ever want to mess with my dog. Dog will attack you and succeed. Don't mess with my dog. Even though it's a chihuahua. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry guys, it was so short. But I am probably not gonna make it. I might make a part 2 of this. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment below what you thought. And yeah. Peace.